Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on
How to enable Hyper-V in Windows 11 or 10. In Windows 11 and 10, Hyper-V is Microsoft's in-house virtualization solution that lets you create virtual machines, run OS on virtual hardware, and not affect PC performance. However, by default, it is turned off. In order to use Hyper-V on your computer, you must enable it first. Here is how to do it.
to enable the Hyper-V on Windows 11 or 10. First press Windows with R key on the keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Here type optional features without any gap. Then click on OK button. This will open Windows Features dialog. Here scroll down and find Hyper-V. Here you can expand it by pressing the plus button. Check all the options that are related to Hyper-V. This one, and this one. Then click on the OK button. Finally, click on the Restart Now button to restart your PC, and this will enable the Hyper-V on your Windows 11 or 10, whatever you are running. That's it.
Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel Garip Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.